If you're sick of cold calling, prospecting, and doing all the other sales tactics from 1974, you're in the right spot. Welcome to the Real Estate Marketing Dude channel, the one channel that focuses on everything attraction-based marketing. So if you're into attraction-based marketing and you absolutely hate cold calling, prospecting, and all the other sleazy sales tactics, go ahead and hit that subscribe button above because that's all we talk about right here on this channel. Hi, my name is Mike Cuevas, the Real Estate Marketing Dude, and we help real estate agents, lenders, and investors all over the country create video content around their brand that generates a lot of attention around it. And in exchange, they're able to attract new business, attract new clients, simply because they're stepping outside the box and generating a lot of attention around their brand. See, in today's world, nobody wants to be sold, but they do want to be served. So how do we go ahead and continue to market our business in a way that is not so overbearing? Like, I don't know about you, but if you hate talking about market updates, talking about interest rates, or boring real estate statistics, then this is the channel for you. But let me give you a little bit more in depth about what I mean and what we talk about right here. The first thing you need to understand is how attraction works. You see, 10 to 15% of the population moves each and every year, and 100% of the population knows someone who's moving. In a business where 72% of consumers close with the first person they meet with, top of mind brand awareness is absolutely everything. When you are the first thing thought about, whether you're an investor or a realtor or a lender, and people start associating your name with what you do for a living, that is exactly how you attract business. And that's exactly what we teach you throughout this channel and as a service, as a company, and exactly what we do at Real Estate Marketing Dude. So now you got an idea on how attraction works. Let's talk about why your personal brand is so important within it. See, people don't remember what you do, they remember how you do it. People don't hire you because you have a license to legally help them buy or sell real estate in any way, shape, or form. They hire you because of what you can do with that license. And the truth is that your personal brand is the most marketable thing that you have. It's the only thing that you have that nobody else that's amongst your competition also does. So when people utilize their personal brand, what you're really doing is taking a personable approach to marketing, and you're looking more to connect with different people versus trying to sell them a bunch of stuff, TPS reports, interest rates, or trying to buy a house that you know they don't deserve. So if you want to start attracting business through your personal brand, you need to be marketing your business consistently, because people give in to the one they see the most. And this is exactly why we do everything with video. So let me give you a little bit more about what that means. Now, the reason why video is so powerful is because it's the most impactful form of communication. And the way video works is that people only retain 10% of what actually comes out of your mouth. And how communication is perceived from one person to another, 90% of it's going to be based upon tonality, body language, and all of that. So in other words, when you get on camera and you start doing video consistently, it just makes you a lot more referable and a lot more memorable, which equates to top of mind brand awareness. The good news is that this channel shows you exactly how to do all that in a way that is unique and authentic just for you. So now you have an idea exactly what attraction marketing is, go ahead and hit that subscribe button above. We publish videos twice a week, whether it's a podcast or a marketing tip, as well as several other crazy fun videos. And as long as you subscribe right above, you're gonna get access to all those videos. Follow our channel and pay attention to what other people are doing. And stay tuned and subscribe to our newest series, Brand You, which is just a series of marketing tips released to you on a weekly basis. Thank you so much for visiting our channel. I'm excited that you're here. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stay tuned and explore the rest of our content right here below. We'll see you guys soon on the next video. Peace!